Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have a fuse box, totally integrated control module in this Chrysler Dash Caravan. Could be the same Jeep. It's been replaced, and we need to know after the replacement what the requirement. This is maximum your coverage. I don't know what that means. Maybe you have to buy some subscription or upgrade it. Maximum. I'm gonna go here just to check this car and see what is going on. They say that the door lock unlock doesn't work good. I did not connect the VCI, vehicle communication system, on the Chrysler. The mobility is here. Okay, you can leave it down there too. You see, when you put it in, the first thing I see, the airbag light is on. Check engine light is not a problem. I am going to see what happened. Okay. Vehicle auto detect. Chrysler American. I have the VIN number. It will decode the system to me. Caravan, Voyager, Town and Country. Also, I noticed that, you see, diagnose, control unit. Let me go by auto scan to see first if there's any code. This is a CAN system, very fast. Okay, engine, I have one fault. Let me see the report. ABS, I have 7 fault. Okay, ABS, circuit voltage, left front speed sensor, right front speed sensor, vehicle configuration mismatch. Vehicle configuration mismatch. ABS, okay, ABS, we're gonna take care of it. ECU configuration mismatch, tire wind module, tire pressures, battery. So before we go crazy, why erase everything? Gateway, erase everything to see if there is something is test. Gateway is there. Wind module have 7 fault. On the bottom now, I have only 1 fault on the TPM. Okay, let me see what fault is on wind module. Wind module, anti-lock brake. On the anti-lock brake, lost communication with the ABS. Lost communication with the ABS. Okay, low tire pressure, which is not bad. Why? Lost communication with the airbag. Okay. Mechanical instrument cluster, lost communication with the airbag. Okay, let me go there. You see, airbag light is on. Be sure that everything on the system is correctly mounted. This yellow look like airbag stuff. Okay, let me go now. They don't want you to connect it and then maybe something happen. Okay, airbag code is no more there. Let me see what code I have. Escape, I have two codes. One is airbag. I'm gonna erase it again to see if it will come back. The airbag is gone here now. Let me turn the ignition on. Off, on. Here it is. Go out, thank God, it's good now. Let me see what can happen. Still I have one code left. Wind module, still I have one code. Now I'm trying to clear them. One code, I have only one code. Let me see the report now. Before I have two codes. Engine control module. Engine control module. One fault. Okay. Engine control module. Lost communicate with the occupant restraint. Wind module tire pressure. Okay. Wind module low tire pressure. Low tire pressure is okay. So I'm gonna turn it off. Start it. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Chrysler, turn the ignition off. Wait. 5. Okay, let me also close the doors and see if everything works now. Lock. Something wrong maybe with the remote, but here it's working fine. Look. Lock doesn't work. Lock. Gotta be some problem somewhere. No, nothing work. Okay, I don't know, but maybe there is another problem in this car. The wind module that they change it, maybe it doesn't have no problem. Let me do something now. Erase again. I will erase all the codes and read it again. See, now I don't have no codes, only one codes. Engine code get away, but still this car have a problem. Maybe the remote is no good, I'm not sure. Read codes. Yeah, low tire pressure is okay, but why? Unlock working. Now it's work. It's work fine. Beautiful. Okay, that's good. But with the remote, or maybe because the ignition is on. Now everything work fine. Now let me see with this one here. Lock. Wow. Very funny. I will prefer to have another key made for this car, and then I can have an idea. So I'm gonna leave everything like this. I will go get another remote, program it, and see if this problem from the remote frequency or why, because it's kind of funny. Okay. This is 2017. everything work from inside. Let me close the hood. Let me try it again. Lock. Lock this work. Maybe this is not good. I will try another one. And also work by itself. So I'm gonna get another one and then we try it and see what happens. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.